Question posed by Kashfia Meherin. Assalamu alaikum, sir. This is from the Facebook, just received. What will we do in Eidul Adha during this coronavirus pandemic situation? Is it compulsory to give Qurbani during this situation? As you know that Qurbani is a recommendation of the Prophet, that those who can afford should give, those who are poor they need not give, but those who can afford should give. Even one animal for the full family sufficient. If the person can afford and give one animal per person, one goat, that's also acceptable. But those who have the means to give should give. Why should coronavirus stop a person from doing Qurbani? I don't know. During coronavirus, yet we are having mutton, we are having beef, we are having chicken. If you feel personally because of the situation in your area, you cannot slaughter, then very well you can give to an organization to slaughter on your behalf. But if you have the means to give Qurbani, you should give Qurbani. It is recommended. And coronavirus should not stop you from that.